Guess what I'm doing? Starting Microlocs.
Look like art. Look like art.
I never knew about Microlocs until I followed NASA and New Blake on Instagram. I have been following Kayla a long time in her life journey. Her likes inspired me to start my own today. Check out her Instagram and subscribe to her YouTube channel. There are many ways to start your lock journey, but I'm going to start mine with Microlocs. Microlocks are 150 to 300 locks, and they are smaller than traditional locks but bigger than sister locks. Since I'm doing my locks myself, I'm going to start them with 2-strand twists, and I only want about 150 to 200 locks, so when I retie my locks, it won't take that long. I know some people it takes them days, it takes them 16 hours, a week, for some people. I barely know what I'm doing. I'm just keep it simple. So I'm starting off with my hair slightly blow dried. Shout out to my mom. I couldn't do it on my own. I just couldn't. I'm just really grabbing square parts and I'm making sure they're all around the same size the best I can. I don't really have them fancy grids or them really neat parts that everybody else be having when they get theirs done, because I didn't go to a professional. Today I'm gonna be my own professional, and if it goes bad, it go bad. Even though I don't have a well thought out grid or neat sections, I am going to take more time to make sure that I have a good middle part and I have some good side parts on both sides, because that's the only versatility I really would care about. The back of my head, it don't really matter what it looks like back there, as long as it just don't look terrible, you know what I mean? I don't want the hair just all over the place, parts every single shape. If the parts are a whole bunch of different sizes from the start, or not generally a square, then it might be harder for me to keep up with it as a long-term style.
You hit your toe.
I hit the heel of my foot. I just want to jump in here and say, do not do what I did. Do not pull your hair and yank out all your knots. Don't do that. It's not fun. It's not cool. Don't do it. See how much pain I'm in? Don't do it. Don't do it. Comment below how many likes you think I have. I want to know. And stay tuned to find out at the end of the video. I have been doing my hair for 6 hours straight, and my scalp is so tender. Look at me. I'm enjoying the length. It's so cute right now. I love the volume, the length. Very soon, as soon as I start putting water on my hair, it's gonna go away. Because, you know, shrinkage is my best friend. It's my #1 fan. Everywhere I go, shrinkage there. Stalker. Shrinkage got my name on a shirt. These are my back sections, and I hope that because of me having locks, they can grow in. I ended this microloc install with drum roll, please. 150 locks.